Hello, I'm Keith of KC Design Concepts and the Chief Engineer of Hyde Motor Works. Today I want to talk a little bit about our Hyde Twin Screw Superchargers. Our Superchargers use a thoroughly tested and proven 4x6 lobe rotor design. The rotors and the case is CNC machine built aluminum and use very strict quality control measurements of every component to ensure the best possible supercharger and long service life. Our superchargers have much lower parasitic losses compared to other superchargers of the same size. In comparison, we've seen some cases over 100 horsepower savings. 100 horsepower less to spin the supercharger means more horsepower to the rear tires. Part of this is due to the efficiency of the 4x6 rotor design that also lowers discharge temperatures, even at higher boost levels. Today I'm going to focus on the liquid-cooled 2.8 liter that I have sitting here right now, but the adapter plate and the inlets and stuff also apply to the 2.1 liter as well as the larger 3.2 liter. In front of me I have the liquid-cooled 2.8 liter and our Hyde Motor Works adapter plate. We developed this adapter plate so that the supercharger will be a direct replacement for the Eaton M122H and the Eaton 2.3 liter TVS that we currently use on our M1 Supercharger kit and our Black Kaiser Supercharger kit. The drive extension on the front as well as the pulley placement is identical to the Eaton Superchargers. On this particular supercharger, it has an 8-rib drive pulley that will be compatible with our Hyde Motor Works 8-rib drive pulley conversion set. The supercharger can be ordered through us with the 6-rib drive pulley that is common on our supercharger kits. The 6-rib drive pulley works well on a stock engine at moderate boost levels and can also be ordered with the larger 10-rib drive pulley as well for custom drive systems. The universal adapter that I have here is for custom applications. It has a 90mm inlet that will accept a 90mm throttle body and is short so as not cause interference with other components in the rear of the engine. We have also developed through CAD and CFD, computer-aided design and computational fluid dynamics, a large rear inlet housing that will allow the throttle body inlet elbow to be bolted onto the side. And because the bolt pattern is symmetrical, it can be flipped over to the other side of the supercharger as well. The same as with the adapter plate having provisions for the bypass valve, which is this tube right here. The inlet will also have provisions for the other end of the bypass valve. We have also developed adapter plates that bolt onto the side of the new intake housings. It'll come across like in this direction here, get larger as it goes back. This will allow the throttle body inlet from the M1 kit as well as the Black Kaiser to be directly bolted onto the supercharger. Both of these kits use the throttle body inlet flange that is designed to bolt onto the side of the Eaton M122H and with an adapter plate, a different adapter plate for the 2.3 liter TVS. We are also developed an oval shaped 85mm CSA cross-sectional area inlet to replace the M1 and the Black Kaiser inlets. Presently both of those kits use a 76mm and that's good up to a certain amount of airflow and power. On a stock engine it's perfect, it's actually a little bit oversized. But if you're really going to push a big twin screw supercharger like this, you're going to want more airflow going in. Here at Hyde Motor Works, we are a group of car enthusiasts. Some of us are also driver enthusiasts. That's why we do this. Pretty much everybody, all of our engineers have a supercharger on their car that did not come with stock, including our CEO. He built his first Supercharger kit, I believe it was like 12 years ago now, might have been longer. And he's still very much interested in supercharging cars. We have some Mercedes-Benz projects coming out this spring, early summer. We had some Volkswagen projects coming out, and we're going to be using a lot of twin screw superchargers on those vehicles as well. So if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us at support@hydemotorworks.com. One of our tech supports, or maybe even the engineer himself that's working on the project, will answer them. I answer a lot of emails myself. So, yeah, give us a yell and we'll see if we can get you supercharged. Alright, everybody, take care, go well, and have a supercharged day.